Channel, and welcome to the camper van. The gear's all ready to go, so let's just get this set up. So I'm going to be playing around with some audio today. So I've just invested in the DJI Mic 2, which I'm excited to use. So I'm going to, the first half of the footage, not going to use it, and then later on in the footage we'll stick that on. But yeah, here's the van. So let's get set up and let's go fly in the Avata 2. Right guys, let's get set up. So this audio has no DJI Mic 2 on. Gear's all ready to go. It's a nice sunny day down at Stokes Bay in Gosport. Got the ND filters on. I think I'm using number 16. Sadly, I lost 8 on my last flight, which I'm sure you saw in the video. I'll be using the controller 3. I won't be sticking it into manual mode just yet. So a little bit of practice today, but really I just want to have a little look at the sound differences in the quality between no mic and the DJI Mic 2. So yeah, please do follow along. So let's get the drone in the air. So today I'm in sunny Gosport, Stokes Bay Beach to be precise, and in the background you can see Fort Gilkicker. So today I'm using the DJI Mic 2, and this is the first mic system that I've used before. This is fresh out the box, and I'm using the standard settings. Today's flight is in normal mode. I'm just getting used to the controls, enjoying the good views and the British sunshine. Practice makes perfect, right? I do find the simulator actually quite difficult. It took me a lot to get my head round. I did find the controller very, very sensitive, despite everyone saying in the comments that you do have to take your time. It will come with practice, and you just need to be patient and remember micro adjustments. And I have been listening, and everyone is right. You've just got to take your time, be patient, and make micro adjustments. I'm new to the YouTube game, and you don't actually realise how much effort goes into making a single YouTube video. I'm currently using Final Cut Pro when it comes to all of my editing. I'm very new when it comes to colour grading. Still an awful lot to learn, but I shoot all of my footage in 4K 30 frames per second, have the settings on manual, and record in D-Log-M. I really do want to spend a little bit of time figuring out colour grading, but one step at a time. I think my priority for the moment is time in the simulator and just building my confidence up with the drone itself. And to take you guys along on the journey with me. It'd be really cool in say 6 months time to being able to do all the flips, tricks, and be more than confident flying the DJI AVATA 2. So here I'm just in manual mode, full manual mode, keeping it nice and high so there's no risk of crashing into the ground. As you'll see very soon, I do decide to do a backflip and it doesn't end too well. So what's next? Practice, practice, practice. Let's try and get to the point where I can fly this completely on manual mode. Work on the colour grading skills, hopefully produce some really good content for you guys in the future. My advice to anybody thinking about getting the DJI AVATA 2 would be go and do it. It's brilliant. It's an absolutely fantastic little drone. It's my first FPV drone. I'm having a lot of fun, a lot of learning, and overall a fantastic experience. So if you like what you're watching, guys, as standard, if you could like, comment and subscribe, and appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.